In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify's settings to optimize your store's shipping processes. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, understanding how to set up and fine-tune your shipping options is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify store's dashboard. This is the command center for all your Shopify activities. Once you're on the My Store homepage, you'll notice a variety of sections guiding you to different parts of your store's operations. Our focus today is on the settings, so go ahead and click on the Settings option. It's typically located at the bottom left of your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your store's backend, ensuring everything runs to your specifications. Once in the Settings menu, look for Shipping and Delivery. Clicking this will open up a new world of possibilities, allowing you to tailor how products get to your customers. This section is paramount because it directly influences how and when customers receive their orders, impacting their overall shopping experience with your store. After entering the shipping and delivery area, the next step is to click on Packages. This subsection provides all the options to define the types and sizes of packages you use to send your products. Understanding what packaging you regularly use helps streamline the shipping process and manage costs more effectively. Make sure to review any default settings here and adjust them as needed to match the requirements of your products. Pay close attention now as you look for visuals or highlighted areas within the Packages section. Often there are prompts or hints that guide you toward recommended actions or common settings that might be beneficial, particularly if you're new to this aspect of Shopify. One of the core components to inspect here is the Custom Package option. Clicking on this allows you to input specific details about the packaging you use frequently. You can enter dimensions, weight, and even choose to nickname these packages for easier reference. Customizing packages helps the system estimate shipping prices more accurately, which can prove beneficial for costing and customer transparency. Similarly, you'll also want to check out the Carrier Package section. This area is designed for those utilizing specific carrier services with preset package options. Reviewing these settings allows you to leverage the structured formats offered by your chosen delivery services, potentially gaining efficiency and reliability. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. By exploring and setting up your shipping and delivery settings in Shopify, you ensure your store is primed for efficient shipping management. Delve into these settings, and you'll find the options to enhance both your operations and your customers' experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling on Shopify!